the free things that you can do at the Auckland Art Gallery. Did you know that there are great deals to get you to and from the art gallery? Check out their website for more details. Wow, you can even get in for free as well. Don't worry, if you think galleries aren't for tamariki, they have a cool kids centre and heaps of fun activities to do. And not to mention all the choice artworks that are on display. Even the food is free. Maybe not. There you have it, whānau. Come and check out the Toi Tū Toi Ora show at the Auckland Art Gallery. Sure. Blah!